Okay, so what we got here is a Mercedes GLC 2023, brand new, installed with the DigiBox Android adapter. Connects up to your factory CarPlay system. Now it gives you access to the Android interface. So this allows you to have all your favorite apps you can download from the Google Play Store. Got access to Netflix. Got access to Disney Plus, so you can watch while driving, strictly for passenger viewing. Sound comes with the original system.
What's the right job? Find you.
So it's fully customizable, and you can switch over back to your original screen whenever you want. Also converts your wired CarPlay on your car to fully wireless as well. So if your car is only wired only, it will make it wireless. Same with Android Auto. If you want this installed on yours, see the link below. You can buy the product. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.